He earned less than $38,000 a year, drove a broken-down Toyota, and when he died at 71, his family opened his bank account and froze. The number they saw wasn't small. It wasn't normal either. No crypto, no day trading, no inheritance, just $27 a week. This case study represents real financial patterns and real-world data. By the end of this video, you'll question every dollar you spent this week. Meet Harold, not a real name, but a real type of person. He fixed transmissions for 43 years, same shop, same greasy overalls, same $14 an hour ceiling. The median U.S. worker today earns about $62,000 a year. Harold never crossed $38,000, not once. At 27, he bought a brand new pickup. Payment, $312 a month. His rent was $290. 2 years later, he owed more than the truck was worth. Sound familiar? An estimated 1 in 4 American car loans today are underwater. By 34, he owed nearly $19,000. In today's money, closer to $55,000. The average American today carries about $6,700 in credit card debt, and 37% couldn't cover a $400 emergency. In 1987, the market crashed 22% in a single day. Black Monday. Everyone panicked. His brother-in-law lost $8,000 in a week and swore off stocks forever. But Harold did the opposite. He picked up a paperback at a garage sale for 50 cents. The book taught him one uncomfortable truth. Almost nobody beats a simple index fund over 30 years. Not fund managers, not TV experts, not your uncle. So in January 1988, he made a rule. Every Friday, $27 into an S&P 500 index fund. Not $270, $27. His coworkers laughed. His brother-in-law said, "You'll lose it all." Then came the dot-com crash, then 2008, then COVID. Every time, everyone panicked. Harold just kept sending his $27 automatically, every Friday, for 36 years. The S&P 500's average annual return over the last 30 years? About 10.4% nominal, roughly 7% after inflation. Watch what $27 a week does over time, based on historical averages, not fantasy numbers. After 10 years, he'd invested $14,000. His account? Around $20,000 to $24,000. Barely exciting. After 20 years, $28,000 invested. Account between $61,000 and $89,000. After 30 years, $42,000 invested. Account between $143,000 and $267,000. Let that sit. After 36 years, the exact time Harold invested, his family found just over $612,000 from $27 a week. The average American aged 65 to 69 has about $258,000 saved. The median, only $87,000. A mechanic who never earned $40,000 a year beat both. By a lot. Lesson 1, he made the boring choice on repeat. The market rewards patience, not intelligence. Lesson 2, he automated it. Because if you decide every week, you'll fail. That's how brains work. Lesson 3, time is the only free ingredient in wealth. You can't buy it. You can only start earlier. If you're $27 a week, about 2 lunches at Chipotle, could realistically grow to $300,000 to $700,000 by retirement, assuming historical averages. Not guaranteed. If you're 40, don't panic. Harold started at 34. You still have runway. Harold didn't win the lottery, he didn't get lucky. He just refused to stop. So here's the real question. What are you spending $27 on this week? And what would 36 years of it look like? Think about it. Then watch the next video, because Harold isn't the only one who did the impossible with almost nothing.